Hey guys, today I have with me IQOO 9SE 5G. The smartphone offers a 6.62-inch AMOLED display having a pixel density of 398 ppi and a refresh rate of 120Hz. IQOO 9SE 5G has a bezel-less punch hole display. On the right spine, you will find the power button and volume rocker. On top, there is a secondary microphone. The bottom of the phone features a USB Type-C port, a SIM tray, and a speaker grill. IQOO 9SE 5G comes with a 48-megapixel triple camera setup with IQOO branding at the bottom. So that's all as far as the design is concerned. Now let's get into the details about the internals. IQOO 9SE 5G comes with a Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 chipset with 5nm fabrication. For multitasking, you will get 8GB of RAM and the internal capacity of the smartphone is 128GB. IQOO 9SE 5G offers a 4500 mAh battery powered by a 66-watt fast charging facility. Coming to the camera specs, the phone features a 48-megapixel triple camera setup and includes a 48-megapixel primary camera supported by a 13-megapixel ultra-wide-angle camera and a 2-megapixel macro camera. Also, the phone offers a 16-megapixel front camera. The software version of IQOO 9SE 5G is Android 12 with FunTouch OS. So guys, that's it for IQOO 9SE 5G. Thank you so much for watching this